Hi everyone, this is Chirantan Chakraborty from SLM Skills. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I am going to discuss about site survey of our Suryamitras training program. Are you an installer looking for how to install solar photovoltaic system on solar rooftop or house or commercial establishment? Have you ever wondered what makes a solar plant installation successful? One of the key areas that solar buyers and vendors take for granted is the site survey. This phase is very important in the process of solar installation as it provides crucial information in the solar plant. There are three important factors considered when designing a solar photovoltaic. Number one, site feasibility. Site feasibility is the main where the building or the plant is to be installed. Number two, viability. It is economically viable to implement the system and reap benefit from it for long term. That is, where we are installing it, it can get proper utilization or not. Number three, need for the user. We have to take over the first priority of the customer. That is, his priority is our foremost to be looked into. What exactly is a site survey? A site survey is done to collect information about various aspects such as local condition, physical details of site including the roof and the consumer power consumption need. Some of the information collected are local climatic condition, number 2, physical details of the site, number 3, consumer power consumption, number 4, shading of the roof. Site survey often done manually by skilled manpower or on 3D modeling also. While considering installation solar, the site proposed by the customer could be a site the customer is well acquainted with, but you aren't. However, as an installer, you need to propose key information regarding the site. The information that you accumulate through a site survey should cover all the aspects of the location that influence the solar installation at the particular location. Now, let us get indulged into how to do a site survey. The things carried out during the site survey are: number 1, roof orientation to get to know a suitable location of the solar panel. Number 2, to do a shadow analysis the solar irradiance of the solar panel during the day. It helps in the identification of the suitable location for the solar panel for optimum output. Number 3, study the roofing details to install the right solar PV system. Number 4, load analysis to understand the energy need of the building or the consumer. And the last is solar PV system usability check to make sure the solar panel is easily accessible by the user and the other regions. Below is the details of the activities that must be carried out while doing a site survey. First of all is solar PV orientation finding, azimuth, shadow analysis for solar panel, then roof structure analysis, then load analysis, solar PV system usability, and finance that we have discussed in the previous slide also. Let's come to our first point, solar PV orientation. It is very important activity undertaken during the solar site survey to determine the direction of the roof solar PV system for receiving maximum sunlight during the day. It is also called solar irradiance. The solar PV system is usually placed in the southern face when the location is the northern hemisphere for solar maximum irradiance. Next, shadow analysis for solar panel. To get the optimum output from the solar PV system, one need to ensure solar irradiance is almost nearly shadow free. It consists of analyzing solar insolation, that is study of the way of sun movement over time of a day. It is done usually several solar shadings tools, physical studies, movement of the sun, etc. Tracking can also be used to track the sunlight to actively capture sunlight for solar irradiance. Also, the neighborhood is analyzed and seen that there is no obstacle that creates shadow. Then move towards our next. We have to look into roof structure analysis. Since each and every house roof has a different structure, the solar PV system installed would very difficult, and it vary on the roof dimension and other unique specific to each other. The inclination, direction, and other construction material of the solar type is considered before solar installation. If the rooftop is not suitable, then ground mounted can be an option and also be considered for feasibility. The following are the rooftop details collected to get the most solar PV system to be installed. Then moving towards our next slide is load analysis. Load analysis is done to understand the current electricity utilization and prospective power usage to get a good understanding of the kind of solar system to deploy. It is done by collecting the load information of the major energy usage appliance and ways and device to bring an efficiency in the system and reduce the electricity output of the solar PV system. Also collect are the details about the electricity consumption over the year to get to know the power consumption of the pattern. As they indicate in the above chart, that helps in designing a very popular This helps in designing solar PV system that suits their powerful and power consumption. A grid-tied or off-grid system can also be blah blah. Solar PV system usability. The site analysis helps in different solar PV system inside. That is important, convenient for the standpoint of usability. Also a location for other things like inverters, battery backup, distribution box, etc. are also considered to have the solar PV system installed properly. Also considered in the way PV system is going to be connected in the existing electrical system. Moving towards the financial analysis, we have financial incentive, government subsidies and other things that considered while explaining economic viability of the solar project. An important consideration to look at the net metering and other where surplus power is supplied to the other credited power supply. Doing a site survey is critical for the successful execution of a solar project, as crucial information is gathered during this phase to enable optimum power output of the solar installation. And last but not the least, be safe, be healthy, be at home, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.